Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the top 5 best fishing rods. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Are you ready to bring in the day's catch? We took a close look at the current market, purchased 8 of the best spinning rods, and put them through rigorous testing for weeks in order to assist you select the best option for your next fishing rod. Our specialists put the chosen fishing rods to the test in a variety of settings, including bays, lakes, and rivers. We took careful notes on how each one fared on features, adaptability, and portability. Our hands-on analyses will help you find the perfect fishing rod, whether you're seeking great quality or exceptional pricing. Check the link below for product details and price. About 2 or 3 places on the video. Number 5. Best Overall Fishing Rod. St. Croix Triumph Travel. Because of its amazing combination of portability, features, and balance, the St. Croix Triumph Travel Rod takes the top rank in our assessment. The excellent feel of this rod helped us to detect even the tiny bites, and place the hook quickly. We liked how it cast further and more precisely than the other rods we tested. It's lightweight, folding down into 4 pieces, and fitting into a carry-on bag, which is ideal for travel. The cork handle provided a pleasant feel in the hand, and contributed to the rod's overall balance. Without a doubt, this rod is of the highest possible quality. What's the catch, then? To be honest, we don't have a lot of complaints about this rod. It's not as simple to take apart, and put back together as some of the other contenders. Still, we believe this is a minor flaw, and the St. Croix Triumph Travel is a fantastic all-around rod that we recommend. Number 4. Number 4. Best Telescoping Rod. Daiwa Megaforce Tele-Spin. You may have to go great distances to find fish, so having a rod that can keep up with you pays off. We discovered that the Daiwa Megaforce Telescopic excels in this area. It collapses to a minimum size of 1 foot 10 inches and extends to a 6 feet 8 inches rod, and can be instantly built and ready for action, or disassembled in a matter of seconds. For a telescopic rod, it has a wonderful feel, and we had no trouble sensing the lure in the water and recognizing bites. When casting, the rod was fantastic, moving farther with each cast than other rods, which we appreciated when chasing after fish that leaped nearby. The only major criticism we have for this rod is that it is devoid of features. While it had all of the essentials, it lacked some of the more unusual features found on other rods, such as hook holders. Overall, the Daiwa Megaforce telescopic rod is a great choice, if you want a highly portable rod that also casts effectively. Number 3. Best Bang for Your Buck, Plusinno 2-piece Spinning Rod. Check out the Plusinno 2-piece spinning rod, if you want a rod that can do it all without breaking the bank. This rod loses the mobility of some of our favorites, but it more than makes up for it with balance and features. One of our favorites was the ergonomic cork handle, which made all-day fishing a breeze. When it comes to the grip, this rod has a great reel seat that keeps the reel securely in place. It was also a fantastic casting rod, with the line flowing effortlessly through the guides on every cast. However, we do have a few minor gripes. While it performed admirably during our tests, the lightweight materials may not be as durable as some of the other rods we looked at, so you'll have to be a bit more careful with this one. It also doesn't collapse as compactly as we'd want. If these drawbacks aren't enough to keep you from saving money, we propose the Plusinno 2-piece spinning rod, which is available at a reasonable price for an excellent product. Number 2. Great for small fish, Ugly Stick Elite. Look no farther than the Ugly Stick Elite if you're looking for a well-built, lightweight fishing rod that's easy to carry to your favorite fishing spot. Don't be fooled by its diminutive stature. It's quite robust and has tremendous fighting ability, as we discovered when we dragged in fish that appeared to be too big for this rod on multiple occasions. This ugly stick might be used for a variety of fishing techniques, such as dropping a hook with a worm on it or casting a bait. It was also one of the greatest for balancing, because it sat pleasantly in our hands all day. Although there were numerous benefits, there were a few drawbacks to consider. Because this rod is on the short side, casting distance suffers. This is to be expected given the rod's size, but it's still something to consider if you do a lot of casting. It also has a somewhat short handle, making two-handed use more challenging. Overall, it was a delight to use this rod. So, if you're looking for a tiny rod that can endure the rigors of everyday fishing, the Ugly Stick Elite is a good option. If you're looking for a smaller fish, the Ugly Stick Elite is your best bet. Its small size, excellent feel, and formidable fighting strength all work together to give you the upper hand. Number 1. Most versatile, Kast King Black Hawk II Telescopic. The Kast King Black Hawk II Telescopic rod is about as versatile as you can get when it comes to adaptability. It's just as good at fishing from a lakeshore as it is from an ocean jetty, as we discovered on numerous occasions in the same day. It also gave a high level of sensitivity, allowing us to sense what was happening in the water. It was also extremely easy to move due to its telescoping nature. It was a tiny 1 foot 10 inches in its travel state. This came in handy when we went on a hike to a couple hidden areas. The only drawbacks? For starters, there was a problem with the glass tip. We had to get another one after it broke after a few uses. We had no issues with the second rod, so we'll chalk it up to a lemon, but it's something to think about. There was also the minor matter of the floating guides to consider. When stretching, they were a little tough to fasten. Overall, the Kast King Black Hawk II Telescopic is the fishing rod for you, if you want to perform well in a variety of situations. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.